Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use less data for calls on Signal Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Signal app on your phone. Then tap on your account icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then go to Data and Storage. Here you will find Use less data for calls. Tap on it. If you want less data for calls will be used in both Wi-Fi and mobile data, select the third option. And if you want less data for calls will be used in only mobile data, select the second one. This option will be beneficial for you if you are using limited data. So in this way, you can use less data for calls on Signal Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.